And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, crypto billionaires and millionaires. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube, hopefully. Everybody, welcome to the FXFreedom Lazy Crypto Portfolio. And today's title is Crypto Investing, right? Risk disclaimer, everybody, the webinars are not investment or trading advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose, everybody. Crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. Today we're going to talk about investing. But remember, crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. What does this mean, everybody? Don't do stupid things with money, alright? Don't be greedy. And always do your own homework before you act. What is the homework? Check regulation. Okay, check regulation, everybody. And as always, I'm not a professional on cryptos, but I am a technical trader and a portfolio manager. And in my opinion, the crypto market is going to produce the next millionaires and billionaires in the next 3 to 5 years. Again, in my opinion. So today we're going to talk about just start to invest today, everybody. Okay, we're going to look at some charts. Now, every first week of the month we are showing you the portfolio results, and we are having a lazy portfolio course every 3 months, 20 people max. Connect if you want more info. Here is the education, FXPassion@gmail.com, everybody. And take a pen and paper. It's going to be Saturday 23rd of April. We are going to have the next, it's just one day, okay, it's half a day, really, it's a half a day. Yes, it's going to be on Saturday, half a day. It's going to be the crypto portfolio course, okay, everybody. And talking about the portfolio, the last 24 hours it's like this, the last 7 days it's like this, so we are at 9,500. The last 30 days the portfolio is like this, the last 90 days it's like this, and all time, you know, it's like this. So we started, everybody, back in May 2021 with 1,000, you know, with 1,000. Where is the 1,000? I cannot go to the 1,000. Okay, and then we went up to 9,000, 9,500 roughly. Then we went back down to 5,500, and a few days ago we were up to 10,000. Okay, so if you want to have the same results as we do, okay, in a lazy way, not stress about, oh, what is blockchain, what is the hash rate, what is the smart contract, but just with the knowledge on how to structure a portfolio, everybody. Okay, 23rd of April, Saturday, half a day crypto portfolio course, if you want. And yesterday I found a great news, everybody, talking about portfolio management and everything. You know, let's check the news. So, crypto rules, consensus policy. Crypto rules should match traditional financial system, everybody. Yellen to say Thursday. Okay, now this is policy, everybody. This is do your homework, check regulation. Treasury Secretary to deliver first speech, you know, at digital asset industry, and US Treasury Secretary Janet wants to put the crypto industry on the same level and facing the same rules as the traditional US financial system. Is this good news or is this bad news? Or is this the ugly news? I'm going to, we have a lot to talk today, everybody. Just stay with me, bear in mind what we're talking about. You know, somebody's typing, oh, it's good news, somebody's typing, oh, it's bad news, right? Next, Sweden Central Bank completes second phase of the corona testing. Remember, Sweden, everybody, you know, maybe it's going to sound too complex, but it's not. look at the title. Crypto rules should match traditional financial system. Sweden's central bank completes second phase of e-krona. Do you see anything strange, everybody? From this title, from USA, from this title, from Sweden. Come on, consensus, get out of here. Propaganda again, you know. I cannot get out of the down. There you go. Okay. Opinion. Lawmakers keep mentioning privacy in central bank digital currency discussion. How lawmakers approach privacy with central bank digital currency differ, but the fact remains they are very frequently now raising the issues. Sweden wants to test the krona. This is the old one out. Georgian central bank prepares legislation to regulate the crypto market. Finally, we're talking about the crypto market. Digital euro may get easier. AML rules that Bitcoin, EU Commissioner says, April 5th, today 7. Mayread McGuinness promised a role for banks and distributing the, again, CBDC. See everybody? Crypto rules should match traditional financial system. Sweden's central bank completes second phase of e-krona. Lawmakers keep mentioning privacy in central bank digital currency. Georgia crypto market, yay, finally won. Then we are relapsing back on central bank digital currency. Consensus again. Digital euro will have privacy safeguards. Digital euro, not Bitcoin, not Ethereum. And finally, here is the big one, everybody. This is today the most important news that you can read on. Make sense? Not to get too technical, not to get too boring, not to get too specific, everybody. Are central bank digital currencies kryptonite for the crypto? And the answer is yes, they are. As central bank digital currency is an authoritarian government's dream and represents a giant step backward for consumer privacy. Wow, I mean, wow, this is, you know, this is an article that I believe everybody should share in the crypto space. Central bank digital currencies backed by a central bank, have received renewed interest with the United States President Joe Biden executive order of ensuring responsible development of digital assets. Proponents of CBDC argue that widespread adoption will promote financial inclusion, expand public access to safe money, improve the efficiency of payments, and more. Look at the picture, everybody. CBDC. You've reached your quota of meat this month. Bitcoiners, this is now a fight, everybody, worldwide. No, I'm not exaggerating at all. This is a worldwide fight right now between governments and what it's called the DeFi space, decentralized finance. Bitcoiners have launched a campaign against central bank digital currencies, warning that they allow the government to control what you spend money on. Make sense, everybody? What is this all about? Yellen and the USA, which we talked about. I was telling this from last year, everybody, that the cryptocurrencies, Forex platform, everybody give me a second, file, open, crypto here. I've been telling this about a year ago that, of course, in my humble opinion, you know, I mean, who the heck am I to talk about government policy? But we talked about that, in my humble opinion, these assets that you are looking at right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Matic, Link, and so on, that these cryptocurrencies and the crypto market is going to become another regulated financial market. Make sense? As the stock, exactly as the stock market, as the Forex market, as the commodity market, as the bond market. Make sense? And here is the news from today. Crypto rules should match traditional financial systems. Crypto rules, everybody. Who are you? What are you doing? Pay the taxes. Good for me, not a problem. Sweden is launching the e-krona. What is the e-krona? It's a central bank digital currency. E-krona is this one. This is the e-krona. It's a central bank digital currency. Lawmakers, Georgia, okay. Digital euro. What is a digital euro? Digital euro is, again, it's a central bank digital currency. Digital dollar, digital yuan, everybody. Make sense? And now this is a global fight. Somebody's typing, oh, you're exaggerating. No, I'm really not exaggerating at all. This is the issue. Okay? Now you have in your neighborhood, everybody, cryptomaniacs. Believe me, you are just not aware of it. You have in your neighborhood cryptomaniacs. And these cryptomaniacs are going to tell you, oh, it's all about DeFi and decentralized finance, everybody, and it's all about Bitcoin is the future and technology is the future. I'm sorry to tell you in the face, okay, Bitcoiners and the cryptomaniacs, the government. I mean, I'm on your side. Makes sense? I'm on your side, everybody, but the governments are going to do what they want to do. Make sense, everybody? And we talked about from last year, this it's all about do your own homework, everybody. Check regulation. If you live in India and you make whatever profit, it doesn't really matter trading or investing, you need to pay 30% in tax. If you live in Europe, so far you cannot trade or whatever with Bitcoin. They banned proof of, not to get too technical, they banned Bitcoin, proof of work. Make sense? Thailand, last time they banned crypto market. China, they have the digital yuan. They have the digital yuan, like they have the e-krona, and like in Europe they are going to have the digital euro. But in China you cannot use the cryptocurrencies for payments. You cannot buy bread and butter. Make sense, everybody? But nonetheless, everybody, right? Tell me, everybody, type in the chat a crypto that you want to check, because nonetheless, I want you to start investing today. Make sense? Nonetheless, now remember, everybody, I believe in technology. I believe that crypto is the future, but I also believe that the crypto market is going to become just another, not with a negative sign, but with a positive sign, another financial market that you can trade, that you can invest in. Make sense, everybody? In my humble opinion, somebody says, I don't agree with you. It's cool. It's okay. It's okay. We don't need to agree, everybody. This is not a class. This is crypto investing. It's a friendly conversation. You don't need to agree with me, but I'm telling you, they are going to regulate the crypto, the countries that are pro-crypto, they're going to regulate the crypto market, and they are going to know, they are going to know who you are. They are going to know how much profit you make. They are going to know where you spend your cryptos, or they are going to ban cryptos. I don't agree with you. Not a problem. Everybody, my opinion is formed based on what I read, makes sense? I am pro crypto, makes sense? But I have friends and family like you do, and they are, oh, Binance this and Kraken that and coin market cap this, you know, and Bitcoin is the future, you know, and we are all going to be rich and nobody's going to know how much money I make, you know, and it's impossible to track, right? When it's impossible to track, then Europe said, well, if it's impossible to track, then bye-bye. No Bitcoin. Makes sense, everybody? For the crypto maniacs, you know, and most of the crypto maniacs, everybody, are what? Somewhere from 16, 17, 18 years old to what? 25, 27, 35 maybe. But the old guys, right? The old guys, we know, right? Who are the old guys? The old guys are the investors and traders who are in the financial markets for more than 20 years, everybody. You know, the old guys, we've been through a lot already, you know, and we think, you know, not saying about, oh, you know, I have a crystal ball. I don't have a crystal ball. But talking about policy, all the governments all around the world, everybody, they are positioning themselves in the same way. Nonetheless, everybody, it's all good news. Do you want to check, everybody? I want to talk today about Just Start Today. Do you want to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, Solana, Uniswap, everybody? Which one do you want? Somebody's typing not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform, Freedom, why do you want me, listen to this, everybody, why do you want me to start investing when the policymakers want to regulate the crypto? Listen to this, everybody, it's a great question. Okay, why do you want me to start investing? Because the governments want to regulate. Most likely the guy means they want to know who you are, where you are, what you're doing, KYC, and they want to tax you, you know. Everybody, this is what it's all about. In my opinion, the crypto market is going to produce the next millionaires in the next 3 to 5 years if you start right now. Make sense? Regulation, talking about you need to pay taxes and they need to know who you are and what you are doing. This is not bad. Make sense, everybody? One has nothing to do with the other. You know, if you buy Bitcoin, everybody, if you buy Bitcoin at 50,000, you know, 50k, and it goes to 100k, you know, pay the taxes and have fun. Pay the taxes and have fun. Make sense, everybody? We, the old guys, this is how, not everybody, makes sense, but I'm going to talk about me. This is how I think about, you know, if I buy Bitcoin at 50, in 5 years or whatever, it goes to 100, you know, and they're going to tell me, oh, pay me 5%, 10%, India 30%, pay the taxes and have fun. But the crypto DeFi maniacs, they don't want to do this, everybody, makes sense? And here is, we are telling you what? We are telling you that this is not investment or trading advice. We are telling you that crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable. And we are telling you, do your homework, check regulation. Don't do stupid things just because of the money. Make sense, everybody? Pay the taxes and have fun. Believe me, you know, it's not, oh, I'm going to hide something, you know. I'm going to buy, so I'm a smart guy, right? I'm a smart guy. and I'm going to buy Bitcoin and I'm going to put it on my hardware treasure. So nobody is going to know where I am and or what am I doing and where I spend my Bitcoin. Well, this is not true anymore. Not true anymore. Make sense, everybody? There are systems. Europe is one. You know, you take your hard drive wallet and you go on some PC in Europe, you know, God knows where, they are going to know. Make sense, everybody? Don't do stupid things just because of the money. Pay taxes, call a lawyer, call an accountant, tell me, okay, I made 100% of profit on the Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever, you know, how much tax I need to pay, where I need to pay. Pay the taxes and have fun. Agreed, everybody? Always do things according to the law. Okay? So today I want to talk about, everybody, just start today. Why we're talking about just start today? Because, and I'm referring always to my friends and family, right? My friends and family, you know, they talking about Bitcoin is just an example, could be anything, right? My friends and family, and yours too, believe me, they're all the same. They didn't buy Bitcoin in here. They didn't invest in Bitcoin in here. Remember, it could be any asset, right? Bitcoin is just an example. They didn't invest in here. This is the weekly chart. Every candle, it's a week. They didn't invest here, 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 here. They didn't invest here, everybody. And when Bitcoin went from 32,000 to 54, they didn't even invest in here. And most likely you too, the ones who are watching and listening to the webinar, agreed? Because in here Bitcoin was falling down, it was losing value, but in here you're thinking, oh, this is too expensive right now. Gosh, how I would like to have bought Bitcoin at 36,000 and now it's 46, so I lost the train. How many of you online, everybody, can relate to this? Is this you? This is your friends and family, and this is normal, makes sense, because they are not professional investors. So I believe in technology, everybody. I believe the cryptos are the future. Maybe not in the same way as the crypto maniacs believe, but talking about from the investment standpoint, everybody, this market is just starting. Make sense? It's just starting. Okay? So what would happen, everybody, if you would put, and let's go on the monthly chart, right? What would happen, everybody, if you would put, I believe everybody has 50 euros, right? 50 euros or $50, okay? What would happen if you would put 50 euros or $50 in Bitcoin for the last 6 months? Just start today. So this candle is not closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are going to use the close of the candle. Okay, so 6 months. First month, second month, third month, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, third month, fourth month, fifth month, and 6th month, right? And whoops, there you go, a little bit, come on, you know. And you can play around, everybody. You can do this calculation for yourself, make sense? You can take Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Polkadot, Matic, Decentraland, Sandbox, Xbox, whatever, you know. All the coins that you have, everybody, makes sense? And you can do the same. And you can come, everybody, no, this is not a course, and you can come to a conclusion, you know, Should I start investing today or should I invest right now? Okay, so calculator, you know, and talking about the, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, what was the close 61. We are going to have a better calculation, everybody, around numbers. Okay, 61,000. The first month it was 61,000 Bitcoin 6 months ago. 61. In here close was 56,000. Okay, 56,000. 56,000. Okay, the third month, 1 2 3, the close was 46,000. We are taking whole numbers. 46,000. 46. You would just invest, everybody, 50 euros or $50, right? Third month 46, so 1 2 3. The fourth month it's 38,000. 38, the close 38,000 roughly, right? 1 2 3, 38,000. And now Bitcoin is falling. 1 2 3 4 5. This is what? Close 43,000 again. 43, 1 2 3,000 again, and 1 2 3 4 5, one more, and this one closed at 45,000. 45, right? 45,000. 45,000. 1 2 3. Okay, everybody, just start today. What would happen if you would wake up in, what was this, October 21, you would wake up and you would just start investing 50 euros or $50 or in Bitcoin or Ethereum or Uniswap, Matic, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, whatever. You know, you can do this exercise. You can push 12 months ago, not just 6 months ago. Make sense, everybody? And remember, we are talking about investing for the next, not tomorrow. Everybody, don't play around. You know, oh, I'm going to invest until December. Then I'm going to sell because I need to buy toys for the kids. Doesn't work like this. It doesn't work like this. You need to invest for the next 3 to 5 years, starting from this show. Start in 2021. Make sense, everybody? We started this in 2021 and we are up from 1,000. We were up to 9,000, and lastly, a few days ago, we were up to 10,000. Would you be happy, everybody? Would you be happy with this kind of results? Would you be happy? You put $1,000 in here and in not even a year, almost a year, right? You are 10x up, 10 times up, right? You are 1,000% up. 1,000, when 1,000 becomes 2,000, you're up 100%. When 1,000 becomes 3,000, you're up 200%. When 1,000 becomes 9,000, you are up 900%. And here is the good news about the lazy approach. You don't need to know anything about blockchain technology, everybody, and smart contracts. Make sense? It's all about the portfolio, how to structure. So Bitcoin is just an example, you know. Let's say what would happen, right? 50 euros. So one more time, calculator, you know. So 61, 1 2 3 divided 50, we would have, what is this? Oh, I'm sorry, everybody, wrong. So $50 euros divided 61,000, right? What is this one? Not working? 50 divided 61, 1 2 3. Oh, everybody, let me take my cell phone, right? let's do a calculation. Let me take my cell phone. So 50 divided 61, 1, 2, 3. So in the first month, I'm going to do it with a cell phone, right? In the first month, I would buy 0.00082 of Bitcoin. Okay. The second month, it would be 50 divided 56,000. 1, 2, 3. Give me a second. We would invest and hold 0.00090. Okay, a little bit more. And the third month, let me see what was the price, 46, so it's 50 divided 46, 1, 2, 3. We are going to invest 0.00010. Okay, 0.00010. Round number, just not to make too complicated, everybody. 1, 2, 3. The fourth month, right? We are investing, we are buying, everybody has 50 euros, everybody has $50, not a lot in Europe, not a lot in Canada, USA, even in Brazil we have 50 reais, and we are investing every month. We are not bothering about up and down, we are just, every single month we are putting 50 euros in some cryptos, right? Bitcoin, just an example. So 50 divided 38,000 give us 0.0013 of worth of Bitcoin. So two more, right? Two more. This is the fifth month, right? So 50 divided, what was the number? 43,000. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. So 50 divided 43. 1, 2, 3. And again, everybody, 50 divided 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. And it's 0.006700012, round numbers. Okay, and lastly, the last one, in 6 months, it would be 50 divided, what was the last number? 50 divided 45,000. 1, 2, 3 equals to 0.0011, right? Okay. So in 6 months, everybody, in 6 months, this is the bottom line. Trading view style, there you go. So in 6 months, right, we would have what? Now we can take the calculator again. In 6 months we would have 0.0011 plus 0.0012 plus 0.0013 plus 0.0010 plus 0.0009 plus 0.00082. We would have, everybody, if I didn't make any mistakes, we would have 0.00632. So 0.00632, right? Agreed? This would be how much we hold. Now 0.00632 worth of Bitcoin, right? Come on, trading view, times, remember this is right now it's what, 43,000 times 43,000 roughly, equals to, I'm going to use my calculator, everybody on the cell phone, give me a second. So 0.00632 times 43,000, 1, 2, 3, equals to 271.76. in dollars or euros. Agreed, everybody? Make sense? And so what does this mean? Here you would put $50, right? Or better, so 50 times 6 equals to 300, right? Make sense, everybody? And somebody would say, well, but I would have lost. Agreed, everybody? Make sense? It's not worth doing it. When we say, everybody, I'm telling this my friends and family, right? We are doing this, we are having fun at dinner, and we are playing around, and we are doing this kind of calculations. And when I show this number, 99% of friends and family, oh, but I would have lost. You are missing the time. You are missing the time. You cannot get into investments, everybody, expecting that you are going to be rich from one day to another. Makes sense? I mean, you had the opportunity before. Makes sense? You had the opportunity before, and Bitcoin again is just an example. It could be, check others, you know. Check the others. Look at Shiba Inu. You had the opportunity before, right? Shiba Inu. Down in here, up in here, but down in here. Somebody's typing, Freedom, what are you trying to tell me? I'm trying to tell you, everybody, that if you don't start today, then you are always going to be late. This is my message today, everybody. Oh, but I don't know what. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Make sense, everybody? It doesn't really matter what you buy. Just start today. And you can go on CoinMarketCap and you click cryptocurrencies ranking and go with the ranking. Make sense? You have the price in here, you have the market cap in here. You know, just go with the ranking. Just start today. Make sense, everybody? Whatever, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Cardano, Terra, Avalanche, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Binance, Terra, Shiba, Rept, Polygon, Chrono, whatever. Just start today. Make sense, everybody? Why just start today? Because we are just starting with the crypto market, in my humble opinion. And what we understand from the crypto market until today, the crypto market is behaving so far, this is not a guarantee, it's not an advice, but the crypto market is behaving so far as a stock market. What does this mean? This means when the crypto index is up, this means that all the crypto assets that you just saw are going to push up. Make sense, everybody? When the crypto index is going to make a new higher high, all the, not all, but most of them, of course, most of the crypto assets are going to be in higher high too. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Polkadot, you know. And remember, we talked about this already too, those are projects, right? Don't come crying back, you know, oh, I bought Solana and you told me that when the crypto index is going to make a new high and Solana bankrupt. Well, those are companies, everybody. Make sense? Those are companies, and companies have people, and companies can do stupid things with the money, and companies nonetheless can go bankrupt. Make sense? This is how the stock market operates. Coca-Cola, Nike, Apple, Amazon, whatever might be the case, those are companies. And everybody, our time is up. Thank you for your time. See you next time with another episode of Crypto Investing with FX Freedom. Again, 23 of Saturday, 23 of April, everybody, we are going to have the crypto portfolio course. If you're interested, send an email, and see you next week. Thank you for